You don't want to be recorded, do you? No, you don't. Go. Go over there. Go over there. Go over there. I'm being killing. Going to walk back to me? Are you?
Yeah, because you pay for it.
Check this out.
Mommy, I actually like my popsicle better than yours.
Yo pensé que le iba a coger los strawberries. Porque él come strawberries, él no come watermelon.
So it was. This is how close he looks. So go back. Go back over there. You don't. You're being recorded. You're being recorded. Go back over there. Second. I know you're giving me side eye. I know you're looking at me. Go. Go over there. Ask for her. Don't look for me at food. Look at her for food. Look at him for food. That's what I thought.
Okay, I'm almost done.
That's what I thought.
Alex, you want more popsicle?
Nope.
You want my strawberry one?
Nope. Dylan, the check is going to you.
Go with me.
Oh, you're the one who wanted to feed him.
I will go around Houston.